Right. Next problem. If z is equal to 3xy minus y cube plus y square minus 2x whole to the power of 3 by 2, then verify that dou square z by dou x dou y is equal to dou square z by dou y dou x, and dou square z by dou x square into dou square z by dou y square is equal to dou square z by dou x dou y whole square. In one problem they asked two questions. This is one question and this is another question. So dou square z by dou x dou y is equal to dou square z by dou y dou x is first one. Second one is dou square z by dou x square into dou square z by dou y square is equal to dou square z by dou x dou y whole square. If z is equal to 3xy minus y cube plus y square minus 2x whole to the power of 3 by 2. Okay, solution. So for this problems, to have to calculate first this term, then this term. So have to compare these two. Maybe we will get these two are equal. Next one, have to calculate this term and this term, then multiply these two, and again have to calculate these terms and have to do square. So you will get these two terms are equal. Okay, it is very long problem. Um, but it is very important also. Okay, right. Solution. Given that z is equal to 3xy minus y cube plus y square minus 2x all to the power of 3 by 2, it is z. Okay, so first we have to find out this one, that is dou square z by dou x dou y. So dou square z by dou x dou y is equal to dou by dou x into dou by dou x into dou by dou x into dou z by dou y. Okay, first we have to calculate dou by dou y. Dou z by dou y. Dou z by dou y is equal to dou by dou y into z value. That is 3xy minus y cube plus y square minus 2x all to the power of 3 by 2. So we have to partially differentiate with respect to y. Partially differentiate with respect to y to this term. So that is what happens. So 3x into y. 3x into y means here 3x is constant. You have to write 3x at first. So derivative of y. So dou y by dou y is 1 minus derivation of this one. Derivation of y cube, that is minus 3 y square, because n into x to the power of n minus 1. Formula is n into x to the power of n minus 1. In place of n, 3 is there. So then what happens, that is minus 3 y 3 minus 1. So that is 2 plus. So this one to differentiation. It is all like that, x to the power of n. So that is also that becomes 3 by 2 into y square minus 2x whole to the power of 3 by 2 minus 1. In place of y, different term is there. In place of n, 3 by 2 is there. So that is n into y to the power of n minus 1. So you have to again partially differentiate with respect to y to this term. So that is dou by dou y into dou by dou y into y square minus 2x. Y square minus 2x. So y square minus 2x is constant, that becomes 0. So derivation of y square is 2y. Derivation of y square is 2y. So here 2 get cancelled. These 2 and these 2 get cancelled. So next, so that is dou z by dou y is equal to dou z by dou y is equal to 3x into 1 is 3x minus 3y square plus this 2 to get cancelled, remaining term is 3 into y square, 3 into y square minus 2x whole to the power of 3 by 2 minus 1. 3 by 2 minus 1, what happened, that is 3 divided by 2 minus 1. So I have to take here LCM, that is 2. So then what happened, that is 3 minus 2 by 2. 3 minus 2, that is nothing but 1 by 2 into y. So this is equation number A. This is equation number A. Why we are giving the for this two equation? If you want to use, if you want anywhere dou z by dou y, okay, we can use dou z by dou y some other places. That's why I given equation number. Okay, that is A. Next, dou square z by dou x dou y. Dou square z by dou x dou y is equal to dou by dou x into dou z by dou y, dou z by dou y. So dou z by dou y is what? This one. So you have to write that one. So dou by dou x into dou z by dou y is equal to this one. So that is 3x minus 3y square plus 3y into y square minus 2x all to the power of 1 by 2. Okay, this is only dou z by dou y. This means what? Partially differentiate. This term partially differentiate with respect to x. This term partially differentiate with respect to x. So then what happens? See, so 3 into dou x by dou x. Okay, 3 into dou x by dou x minus to minus. So this one. So this one that is dou by dou x into 3y square plus dou by dou x. Sorry, 3y into. So this, in this term y is constant. So 3y. 3 into y is constant, we written 3y, dou by dou x into, we are applying this term to partial differentiation with respect to x, that is y square minus 2x all to the power of 1 by 2. So then see, so dou x by dou x is 1, 1 into 3 is 3, minus to minus, so differentiation of y square, derivation of y square with respect to x, partially differentiation of y square with respect to x is 0 because we are doing with respect to x. So this is why we have to treat y is constant. The derivation of constant is 0. So this becomes 0 plus 3 into y is 3y. So differentiation of this term what happened? So it is x power n like that. Yes or no? You have to treat this total term is x. So x to the power of n. So formula is what, mark? X to the power of n formula. So that is equal to n into x to the power of n minus 1. So n means 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 into y square minus 2x all to the power of n minus 1. So that is 1 by 2 minus 1. So in place of x, a different term. So have to again calculate or again differentiate to that term. So that is dou by dou x into y square minus 2x. So 3 minus 0 is 3 plus 3y by 2. So because it is 1 by 2, 3y by 2 into y square minus 2x all to the power of 1 by 2 minus 1 is minus 1 by 2. Into differentiation of this one, y square becomes 0 because it is constant, minus 2 into x. X differentiation with respect to x is 1 only. So minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. So these 2 and these 2 get cancelled. 2 to get cancelled. Then what happens? That is total equation is 3 plus, okay, 3 plus 3y into y square minus 2x all to the power of minus 1 by 2 into minus 1. So this plus and minus will be multiplication. Under multiplication, plus into minus becomes minus. So 3 minus 3y, 3y into y square minus 2x all to the power of minus 1 by 2. So this is equation number 1. So it is what, ma? Dou square z by dou x dou y. Just we are completed up to here this one only. We are completed this term. So next how to do this one. So see. So that is dou square z by dou y dou x is equal to dou square z by dou y dou x is equal to dou by dou y into dou z by dou x. Dou by dou y into dou z by dou x. So dou z by dou x. First of all, you have to calculate dou z by dou x. So that is equal to dou by dou x into z term. So this is the z term, that is 3xy minus y cube plus y square minus 2x whole to the power of 3 by 2. So this is z. So differentiate with respect to x. So y is constant, 3 is always constant. So 3y we are written at first. So differentiation of x with respect to x, that is dou x by dou x minus dou by dou x into y cube. This is constant. You can write directly 0, or you have to write first dou by dou x into y cube. Okay, plus again this one. So the again this one to differentiation, that is dou by dou x into y square minus 2x whole to the power of 3 by 2. So see here, 3y into dou x by dou x is 1. So that is 1 into 3y is 1 minus differentiation of y cube with respect to x is 0 because y is constant plus. So this one differentiation. So it is also same x to the power of n. So in place of n, 3 by 2 is that. So 3 by 2 n into x to the power of n minus 1 formula. So 3 by 2 into y square minus 2x. Y square minus 2x all to the power of 3 by 2. Y square minus 2x all to the power of 3 by 2 minus 1. So that into again this term to differentiation, partially differentiation, that is dou by dou x into y square minus 2x. Okay, so see 3y plus, so this is 0. Okay, 3y minus 0 becomes 3y plus 3 by 2 into y square minus 2x, y square minus 2x into 3 by 2 minus 1. So 3 by 2 minus 1 becomes 1 by 2 because here LCM is 2. So again cross multiplication, that is 3 minus 2 divided by 2. 3 minus 1 is, sorry, 3 minus 2 is 1 divided by 2. So that is 1 by 2 into differentiation of this one. So differentiation with respect to x, y square is 0, minus 2 minus 2 into dou x by dou x. Dou x by dou x is 1. Okay. So, okay, here 2 to get cancelled. 2 to get cancelled. So minus into plus becomes minus. So 3y plus into minus is minus 3 into y square minus 2x. Y square minus 2x all to the power of 1 by 2. So this is equation number B. So next, actually we want dou square z by dou y dou x. Okay, we are calculated dou z by dou x. So again apply with dou by dou y. Dou by dou y into dou z by dou x. Dou by dou y into dou z by dou x is this one. So that is 3y minus 3 into y square minus 2x all to the power of 1 by 2. Y square minus 2x all to the power of 1 by 2. So differentiation of y with respect to y is 1. So that is 3 into dou y by dou y minus 3 into dou by dou y into, so this term. So that is y square minus 2x all to the power of 1 by 2. All to the power of 1 by 2. So don't write this term. Right. Right. So 3 into dou y by dou y is 1. So that is 3 minus minus minus, so the differentiation here, so that is, okay, these two also don't write at first. So 3 minus 3 into differentiation of this term, listen once clearly. 3 minus 3 into y square minus, okay, differentiation of this one, what happened beta, 3 into, it is x to the power of n like there. So x to the power of n means that is 3 by 2. Okay, 3 by 2 because it is 1 by 2 is that. So 3 by 2 into y square minus 2x, y square minus 2x whole to the power of n minus 1. So that is 1 by 2 minus 1 into dou by dou y into again this term to differentiation, that is y square minus 2x. So that is 3 minus 3 by 2 into y square minus 2x whole to the power of 1 by 2 minus 1. 1 by 2 minus 1, what happened, ma? 1 by 2 minus 1 becomes minus 1 by 2. Again differentiation of this one is 2y. So here 2 to get cancelled. So remaining term is dou square z by dou y dou x is equal to 3 minus 3y into 3 minus 3 into this y. So that is minus 3y into y square minus 2x whole to the power of minus 1 by 2. So this is equation number 2. So 3 minus 3 into y is 3y, y square minus 2x whole to the power of minus 1 by 2. So here you don't write this step, okay, because we are not did partial differentiation, but again we are applied partial. Okay, don't write this step. Okay, here only how to write. So the equation number 2, this is equation number 2. So therefore from equation number 1 and 2, from equation number 1 and 2, what happened, that is dou square z by dou x dou y is equal to dou square z by dou y dou x. See, So equation number 2 is what? This one, that is 3 minus 3y into y square minus 2x whole to the power of minus 1 by 2. So next equation number 1. So equation number 1 is also 3 minus 3y into y square minus 2x whole to the power of minus 1 by 2. So equation number 1 and equation number 2 are same. So if the RHS are same, then LHS is also same. If the RHS are same, LHS is also same. So LHS are what beta? Dou square z by dou x dou y is equal to dou square z by dou y dou x. So it is the first problem in this. So second one is dou square z by dou x square into dou square z by dou y square is equal to dou square z by dou x dou y whole square. Okay, now. Okay, first you have to calculate this one. That is dou square z by dou x square is equal to, okay, dou square z by dou x square. That is nothing but what? Dou by dou x into dou z by dou x. So dou z by dou x from B. So what is there beta? Dou z by dou x. So dou z by dou x. So that is dou z by dou x. So this one, that is 3y minus 3 into y square minus 2x whole to the power of 1 by 2. Dou z by dou x is equal to, z is the same for both the problems, first problem and second problem. So we get dou z by dou x is equal to 3y minus 3 into y square minus 2x whole to the power of 1 by 2. Okay, you have to substitute that value here. So that is dou by dou x into 3y minus 3 into y square minus 2x whole to the power of 1 by 2. So differentiate with respect to x. So 3y becomes 0 because 3 is constant, y is constant, minus to minus 3 into differentiation apply to this one. So that is dou by dou x into y square minus 2x whole to the power of 1 by 2. Okay, dou by dou x into y square minus 2x whole to the power of 1 by 2. Again, don't write this term here. So next, if you apply differentiation to this term, we get minus 3 by 2 into, because it is x to the power of n. So in place of n, so minus 3 into n is nothing but 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into 3 becomes 3 by 2. So that is minus 3 by into y square minus 2x. Okay, minus 2x whole to the power of 1 by 2 minus 1. 1 by 2 minus 1, n minus 1. So into again differentiation to this term. So otherwise you have to, if you want to write like that, you don't write this one. Just you have to write like this one. It is only good. It is wrong. N minus 1. So into again differentiation to this one. Again partial differentiation with respect to x, this one. So then y square differentiation is 0, minus 2 minus, and 2 is constant. Dou x by dou x is 1. So that becomes minus 2. 0 minus 2 is minus 2. So here 2 to get cancelled, minus and minus becomes plus. So that is dou square z by dou x square. Dou square z by dou x square is equal to 3 into y square minus 2x. 3 into y square minus 2x whole to the power of 1 by 2 minus 1 is minus 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 minus 1 is 1 by 2 because it is the 1. So LCM is 2. So 1 minus 2 by 2. So there is nothing but minus 1 by 2. So this is equation number 3. So next, dou square z by dou y square. Dou square z by dou y square. That is equal to dou by dou y into dou by dou y into dou by dou y into dou z by dou y. So we are from equation number A. From equation number A, we know dou z by dou y. So that is 3x minus 3y square plus 3y into y square minus 2x whole to the power of 1 by 2. So differentiation with respect to y means x is constant. Yes or no? So 3x becomes 0. So it is minus 3y square. Okay, it is a 3y square. Differentiation of 3y square. Differentiation of 3y square is 6y. Differentiation of 3y square is a 6y. 3 into y square differentiation is 2y, so that becomes minus 6y plus 3 into, here you have to apply u v formula. So u into v dash plus v into u dash, because we are doing with respect to y. So here y terms 2 are there, 2 y terms there. So this is 1y, and here also 1 y terms there. So you have to apply product, that is u v dash plus v u dash. So then see better what happen it will be. So minus 3y plus 3 into dou by dou y into dou by dou y into y square minus 2x whole to the power of 1 by 2 plus y square minus 2x whole to the power of 1 by 2 into, so we are applying to this one. So that is dou y by dou y. So that is, so here we are treating y as a constant, then y into, so we are differentiating to this one, partially differentiating for this y square minus 2x. Then what happen, it is also same, y to the power of n formula, n into x to the power of n minus 1. N means 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into y is y by 2. Okay. So that is y square minus 2x whole to the power of n minus 1. N minus 1. So n means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 1 into, again differentiate to this one. That is dou by dou y into y square minus 2x. Y square minus 2x plus this one. So we are treating y square minus 2x whole to the power of 1 is constant. Derivation of dou y by dou y is 1. Okay, so see, minus cy, sorry, minus 6y plus 3 into y by 2, and here differentiation of this one. So y by 2 into y square minus 2x whole to the power of 1 by 2 minus 1 is minus 1 by 2. So differentiation of this term is 2y, because y square differentiation is 2y and x term becomes 0 plus y square minus 2x whole to the power of 1 by 2. So here 2 get cancelled. So dou square z by dou y square is equal to minus 6y plus 3 into y is y square into y square minus 2x, y square minus 2x whole to the power of minus 1 by 2 plus y square minus 2x whole to the power of 1 by 2. So therefore dou square z by dou y square is equal to minus 6y plus 3 into y is 3 into y square is 3y square. This total term is y square minus 2x whole to the power of minus 1 by 2. So we are multiplying 3 with this term. So plus 3 into y square minus 2x whole to the power of 1 by 2. So it is the equation number 4. Now in LHS what is there better in second problem? In second problem LHS is this one. So that is dou square z by dou x square into dou square z by dou y square. Means we are find out at this term and this term. So we are now we have to multiply these two terms. So see what happens, that is. Right. Dou square z by dou x square into dou square z by dou y square is equal to dou square z by dou x square into dou square z by dou y square is equal to, okay, dou square z by dou x square is this term. So equation number 3 is this one. So that is 3 into y square minus 2x whole to the power of minus 1 by 2 into dou square z by dou y square. That is this one. So that is what? Minus 6y into plus 3y square into y square minus 2x whole to the power of minus 1 by 2 plus 3 into y square minus 2x whole to the power of 1 by 2. So now we have to multiply this term to this one. So then see better what happened, that is 3 into minus 6. 3 into minus 6 is minus 18y. Minus 18y into y square minus 2x whole to the power of minus 1 by 2. So first term, this term is completed. Next, plus. For this one to place that, so here plus. So plus into plus becomes plus. So next one, 3 into 3 is 9. So here one y square is there. Y square. Okay. So y square minus 2x whole to the power of minus 1 by 2 into y square minus 2x whole to the power of minus 1 by 2. So this is, okay, this y square minus 2x and this is also y square minus 2x. Bases are equal. Okay, bases are equal. If you multiply, what happens, that is power should be added. y square minus 2x whole to the power of minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 becomes minus 2 by 2. Okay, minus 2 by 2 is nothing but minus 1. Okay, minus 1. Okay, so that is y square minus 2x all to the power of minus 1 plus, so this term and this term. So 3 into 3 is 3 into 3 is 9. Here y square minus 2x all to the power of minus 1 by 2. Y square minus 2x all to the power of minus 1 by 2 into y square minus 2x all to the power of 1 by 2. So these two terms also equal. So y square minus 2 same y square minus 2x whole to the power of minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is becomes 0. Something power 0 becomes 1. Something power 0 is what? 1. So 9 into 1. So total equation what happened? This is minus 18y into y square minus 2x whole to the power of minus 1 by 2 plus 9y square into y square minus 2x whole to the power of minus 1 plus 9 into 1. So this is equation number 5. This is equation number 5. Okay, next in RHS side, dou square z by dou x dou y whole square is there. So dou square z by dou x dou y. So dou square z by dou x dou y is what my previous problem, that is 3 minus 3y. Okay, minus 3y into y square minus 2x all to the power of minus 1 by 2. Dou square z by dou x dou y. In first problem we are find out at this value, that is 3 minus 3y into y square minus 2x all to the power of minus 1 by 2. But we got same dou square z by dou y dou x also we got same this only. Yes or no? So dou square z by dou x dou y is equal to 3 minus 3y into y square minus 2x all to the power of minus 1 by 2. So here square is there. So you have to write square. Okay, right. So it is like how like there better? We have to treat this is A and this is total term is B. A minus B whole square. A minus B whole square. So A minus B formula is A square plus B square minus 2AB. A square plus B square minus 2AB. A square means 3 square, that is 9 plus B square means this total term square. Okay, this total term square what happened, that is 3 square means 9, y square y square, so that is becomes y square, 9y square. So this term to square, so y square minus 2x whole to the power of minus 1 by 2 square minus 2ab. 2a is 3, b is this term, so that is 3y into y square minus 2x whole to the power of minus 1 by 2. So that is 9 plus 9y square. So here minus 1 by 2, 2. Okay, it is how like there beta, a to the power of m whole to the power of, sorry, a to the power of m power n. So then what happens, that is a power a to the power of 1 by m into or power n like that. So then what happens, that is a power of n by m, n by m, a power of 1 by m whole power n. So then what happens, that will be a power of n by m. So that is minus 2 by 2. So minus 2 by 2, 2 to get cancelled, or we can everyone's know already. So it is in power numerator, sir, this is the denominator, so we can do directly cancel. So that is minus 1. So here 2 into 3 is 6 and 6 3s are 18. So minus 18 into y. Okay, y is there. So minus 18y into this one, y square minus 2x whole to the power of minus 1 by 2. So 9 plus 9y square into y square minus 2x whole to the power of minus 1 minus 2 3. Okay, 2 3s are 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, minus 18y into this one, y square minus 2x whole to the power of minus 1 by 2. So this is equation number 6. From equation number 5 and 6, what is 5? This one. So minus, okay, see beta, minus 18 y into y square minus 2x whole to the power of minus 1 by 2. So minus 18y y square minus 2x whole to the power of minus 1 by 2 plus 9y square into y square minus 2x whole to the power of minus 1 plus 9 square into y square minus 2x whole to the power of minus 1 plus 9 plus 9. So equation number 5 and 6 are same. So equation number 5 and 6 are. So RHS are equal. So we can equal LHS. We can make the LHS are equal. So what are LHS? Dou square z by dou x square into dou square z by dou y square. So that is equal to dou square z by dou x dou y whole square. Dou square z by dou x square into dou square z by dou y square is equal to what happened, ma? Dou square z by dou x dou y whole square. It is very important problem to long answer.